Welcome everyone, my name is Brian. Welcome to my channel. This is Cash Cow. Bow, bow, bow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to live stream Fortnite. Anybody can live stream this game, and with a little bit of talent and a little bit of luck, you can actually get popular like your favorite streamer. So if you're thinking about getting into the streaming community over at Twitch or YouTube, I am going to show you guys how to get started. Obviously, we already have Fortnite in our background, as you can see, and I can even go directly to a game. I am currently at the moment screen recording, but what I'm going to show you is how to live stream it. Let's get it started. So as you can see, I'm actually display recording right now. What we want to do first is get the software, the correct software, in order to live stream, which is called OBS. So just type in OBS in Google, open broadcaster software. It's the first one on the top of the page. Click on that one right there. We are on the website. Here you can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So just download what your operating system is. Nice and simple, quick, easy process. It's very secure, highly trusted. A lot of people use it. As you can see at the bottom, they are always updating their software to the latest and greatest, and they support obviously Twitch and YouTube. Mixer, I don't know who streams on Mixer personally. So once you have OBS, open it up, and as you can see, we are on OBS right now. Like I said, I'm display capturing, but essentially that's all we need. All we need is this software. So then we go to settings, go to stream, and then here you're going to put your stream key. The way to get your stream key is you go to YouTube. If you're going to stream on YouTube, go to your channel, Creator Studio, then on the left side of Creator Studio, live streaming, go to the bottom, and then here on the encoder setup, the stream key is right here. You're going to have to reveal it, copy, and paste it over here on OBS. Make sure you're on the correct service, obviously YouTube, and then for Twitch, then you go to Twitch, you click on your name, go to your dashboard, all the way at the settings in channel right here at the bottom. You go here, and this is your stream key. Copy it, paste it once again in OBS. Make sure you're on the Twitch server. Once you have that, you click OK, and you're able to stream. But remember, you are now going to be able to stream, but you're going to be streaming blank unless you fix your display settings, as you can see right here where all this loop is. That if I was to stream right now, it would stream what you're looking at on the screen right now. So you don't want to show that. So I'm going to teach you guys how to put in your Fortnite visuals. Now that we have got OBS, it's now time to add our game footage. Remember, what you're displaying here at the top right here is what is going to be live streaming. So as you can see, we're going to add that in the sources. As you can see, I currently have display capture, which is how I am actually showing this, because it's capturing my screen, and I have my black Yeti microphone, which is how you can hear me. So we're going to go to the plus sign at the bottom, go to game capture. You can title it whatever you want, but we're going to keep it the same. And then capture specific window. Remember, have Fortnite already open. As you can see, I already have it open in a window. Then you click right here at Fortnite client when it's its own window. And then bam, right there, you'll see it. And we are actually now having Fortnite on our display. Portion it correctly. As you can see, it's on top of my display capture. That's why you see my screen and the game itself as a separate window. And then there you go. Just size it correctly and start streaming. But so that's how you stream Fortnite in very simply and very quick. That's with a PC and a Mac. It's also game capture. If you're using a PS4 or an Xbox, you're gonna have to do it through a game capture device, which I had an Elgato, but I sold it because I don't have a console. And now what we're gonna do is add your little webcam if you want to use a webcam, and an audio source with like a microphone. So what we have to do is, I'm gonna minimize, if you're live streaming, you want to do a face cam, that's totally optional to you if you want to add it. I'm gonna quickly show you how to do that. So you go to video capture device, and you can name it or not, and then you choose your device, and right there, as you can see, that's my webcam right there. Now that we have our webcam, we can obviously place it at a different spot here in the corner, minimize it. If you want to use a green screen, you could add it here. I'll show you guys how to do a green screen in another video. That's for more in-depth. And to add your audio source, you go to the bottom here, hit the plus sign, go to audio input capture, press OK, and then select your device. As you can see, I have a Yeti and my Logitech webcam. That's from my webcam microphone. I would not recommend using that because it's going to sound really bad. Try to get a nice microphone if you can, and if not, just use what you have, obviously. But I would totally at least recommend a Snowball Yeti, which is like $50, $60 on Amazon, and it's really good. You're gonna have to play with the audio levels, like right here, because sometimes your microphone won't be as loud as your gameplay. So you're gonna want to either look back at your footage and see if your audio was too loud of the game, or if your microphone was too loud, or ask your audience that's watching you, ask them, am I too loud or am I too soft? You can see I'm putting it down, and I have to talk very closely or louder, but if I bring it back up, your audio goes higher. So I like to keep it at a low setting for the gameplay itself. So let's go back to the game. Bam. But yeah, it's so simple. Download OBS, get your settings correctly, get your key, stream key put in. Don't reveal it. As you guys know, if anyone has access to it, they will be able to stream whatever the heck they want on your channel, either your Twitch or YouTube channel. Have fun with it. Streaming is very fun. Don't get discouraged if you don't have an audience at the beginning. That's how we all start. I had like no one watching me when I started. Then I had a couple of people. I started playing Clash of Clans. If you want to show, if you want me to show you how I was live streaming Clash of Clans on my iPhone too, that can be for a separate video. But yeah, Fortnite's the biggest game right now, and I know a lot of people want to get their hands in streaming. It's very popular right now. It's just gonna keep growing. Put in the work. It's not gonna be easy. Try to be funny. Try to put in your own touch to live streaming, and you'll be sure to find your own audience. My name is Brian. This is Cash Cow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn anything more or want me to go in more detail, let me know in the comments. And if I should live stream, let me know also. I don't really live stream Fortnite because I'm very bad, and I'm very bad. I don't like to. Yeah, I'm very bad. I personally get discouraged streaming this because I'm bad, but this is me telling you, don't get discouraged. Find your audience, either stream on YouTube or Twitch, get your hands at it. It's so easy to do. If you have a PC, do it. If you have an iMac, go ahead and play around with it. I mean, anyone can discover a new talent if you try it. So peace out, guys. Have fun, have a good day, and subscribe for the next video. Thank you.